Welcome to another new video. Today we are going to learn how to use keyframe in video editing. Firstly, what is keyframe? Keyframes are used for creating a movement in video editing. For example, I have my object here and I want this object to move from this position to the other side of the screen here and then go back to its original position here. Okay, how do we achieve this? Go to your effect control here. If you can't find your effect control, go to window and click on effect control here to activate it. Okay, so in effect control here we have position, we have scale, we have rotation, okay, anchor point, and so on. Okay, so and there's a button behind all these names called toggle animation button. And in position here, we have two parameters. The first one is to move your object left and right, while the second one is to move your object up and down. Okay, so next thing to do now is to click on the toggle animation button here to create your first keyframe. As you can see now, I have my first keyframe here already, and that is where the animation, the movement will start from. Okay, so next now is to move my playhead a little bit forward, just like this, and go back to the first parameter here. Click down your mouse and drag it forward until the object gets to your desired position here. Okay, you will notice that as I'm dragging the parameter, another keyframe was created for me here automatically. Okay, so next now is to move my playhead forward a little bit again. Okay, and then go back to the parameter, click down your mouse and drag it backward until the object gets to its original position here, as you can see it now. Okay, that also creates another keyframe for me here. All right, so let's play the video now and see what we have. Wow, so you will see that the object moved to the right position and then come back to its original position here. Let's see it again. Good. Okay, but the animation did not play throughout the entire video. If you want the animation to play throughout the entire video, all you need to do is to copy the last two keyframes here, copy them, and then move your playhead forward a little bit, just like this, and then paste them. Okay, then move it a little bit forward again, and then paste those keyframe again, move it a little bit forward again, and then paste them until it gets across the entire video, just like this. Okay, so let's render the video now and play it to see what we have now. As you can see now, the object is moving from left to right, then from right to left again through the entire video. Let's have it again. Good. So this is how you can use keyframe to create movement in your videos. All right, so also we can use keyframe to create a movement for the entire background. Okay, when you look at the background now, it's static. There was no movement. Okay, so how do we use keyframe to create movement for this background? All you need to do is to go and select your background. This is my object. Go and select the background here. As you select, then go back to your effect control here. But this time around, I'm going to use a scale. Okay, I'm going to use a scale. Okay, so, and the parameter in scale is 100. The default parameter, the number is 100 here, as you can see. So to create you will need to create the first keyframe for your background here by click on this toggle animation button to create your first keyframe, as you can see now. All right, and that is where the animation for the movement for the background will start from. Okay, so next, now go and move your playhead to the end of your video here, and then go back to the scale parameter here to change the number, just like a 150. Okay, you will see that by the time I change the parameter now, another keyframe was created here. So the movement for the background will be between these two keyframes. Okay, so let's render the video now and then see what we have now. Good. As you can see now, there's a movement there's a movement for both the object and then the background, as you can see now. So the background now is moving while the object also is moving. Can you see now? So that is how we can use a keyframe to create a movement in our video.